KwaZulu-Natal Premier Thami Ntuli and the Human Sciences Research Council have made public the research on how the 2021 floods impacted food security in the province. The findings also take into account the civil unrest and the Covid-19 pandemic. SABC News reporter Simphiwe Makhanya has more.
The Department of Agriculture, together with the Office of the Premier, have just received a report which is compiled by the Human Sciences Research Council here in Durban, which essentially looks at the state of food security in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. And according to the report, there are two districts in KwaZulu-Natal that are troublesome with regards to this particular problem, those being the Zululand district as well as the Makhanya district. But let's engage now the Department of Agriculture through Dr. Jemina Moeng, who's going to explain to us really the essence and the importance of compiling this particular report. Thank you so much for your time, Doc.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon to all the viewers. Yes, indeed, my name is Jemina Moeng, Dr. Moeng. I work for the Department of Agriculture, and I work in Pretoria. As the National Department of Agriculture, we are part of the SADC region that conducts regional vulnerability assessments and analysis work, and as the department we are chair of that in the country. That is why then we had to undertake this work as a country, and we commissioned the Human Science Research Council as a national office, working together with the provincial departments of agriculture, who actually were the funders. We had to consolidate funding from the provincial departments of agriculture, and we would therefore want to acknowledge the assistance and support of heads of department from all 9 provinces. KwaZulu-Natal is only launching today, but all 9 provinces have got these reports that indicate the hot spots of food and nutrition security in the country at the district level. And we are really honored to be part of this extension summit that is conducted by the province and led by the Premier, because these are the soldiers that actually assisted even when the survey was being undertaken. They were the ones that were linking up HSRC with the traditional leaders, linking up HSRC with the farmers, so that the information that goes into the reports is really valid and is solid in terms of research.
You said it's for the first time that such a survey is funded by the Department of Agriculture. How much money is involved here, and also what do you hope the department will do with regards to the findings of this particular survey?
The department invested over 81 million in this study, and we were honored because we have 9+1, which is 9 reports of provinces plus 1 national report. Now, the recommendations of this survey are being used as we speak to actually guide provincial departments of agriculture to say, if we are to tackle the challenge of food insecurity in the country, where should we focus in terms of deploying our resources as far as funding is concerned? So that is how the reports are actually helping us. We have then prioritized 3 districts for each province to say, province, focus, these are your 3 critical districts, so that you can deploy your resources to those districts.
Let's look at those recommendations briefly. What exactly are they saying with regards to this situation?
The recommendations are actually picking up the challenges of non-usage of land by a lot of communities. An example in KZN situation, the KZN leads in terms of the land availability. Now, zooming into the districts themselves, Zululand is the district with the most land that is accessed by farmers, but Zululand ranks very far, about 7th in terms of land usage, which is a challenge because Zululand itself is actually the most dire district in the province. And I think if we all are able to help in that situation, we can make a difference in the picture of food and nutrition security in KwaZulu-Natal.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, sir.
This is Dr. Jemina from the Department of Agriculture here, unpacking really what they hope this particular report will be able to assist in terms of addressing the situation of food insecurity in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It's back to you in Johannesburg.